Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time here, you're so much welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the unending support. I know you guys missed me. It's been long since you saw my beautiful face on your screens. And yeah, I look good today. Minim supu. But anyway guys, today I have a new content for you, and today I'm not going to take you through the practical makeup tutorial process. I just figured out that it's important for me to demonstrate what you need while applying your makeup. Like before applying your makeup, what do you need? So I have an answer to this question, and with no further ado, I just have them beside me. Let's go straight into the video. So at first, what you need is a set of makeup brushes. And with me here, I have a 24-piece makeup brush. And this set has like almost every brush that you need during your makeup application. And it is important that you understand the different types of brushes and their specific functions. So in this case, I have a 24-piece makeup brush, and it has like all brushes that I need in one place. And this brush, I know some of you are wanting to know where I got this set. I got it from Kilimall. It was on a flash sale, but I cannot remember how much I bought it because I bought so many things at once, so you know, deals. So that is what you need. The second thing you need is an eye pencil. I've shown this eye pencil because this is what I use for myself, but there are different shades of eye pencil. For me, I use a black eye pencil because of my complexion. I need my eyebrows to be more visible, and the commonly used shades are the Davis number 3 eye pencil, the Davis number 18 eye pencil, and this black. But the two, number 3 and number 18, are almost the same complexion as I am. So when I apply them on my face, they are not like even visible. So that is why I use a black eye pencil. So you need an eye pencil in a shade that is most appropriate for you. And then we have preps. And by preps, I mean what you have to apply on your face before anything else. So the one thing that you need is a moisturizer. A moisturizer helps you to have your skin hydrated all day below your makeup. So in this case, personally, I use a Dove's, I don't know if it's visible, a Dove Beauty Moisturizing Cream. And it is important, sorry, I forgot to say this earlier, it is important that you understand the skin type. Like, what is your skin type? Is it oily? Is it normal? Is it dry? You have to understand it before you apply anything on your face, especially for people with sensitive skin. You need to be really cautious before you apply anything on your face. So always try to find what works best for you. So moisturizer is the first thing you apply, and then what you need after applying your moisturizer, you need this is sunscreen. A sunscreen is important because you have to be protected from the harsh ultraviolet rays from the sun. And as sunscreen also helps you to avoid getting it helps prevents hyperpigmentation on your skin and also getting sunburn. So it is important that you have a sunscreen whether you're a dark skin or a light skin. This is very important. And then after that, what you apply is your primer. And in this case, it is important you understand your skin type: dry, normal, oily. So there are different primers that will suit your skin type. And here I have a Rimmel Stay Matte. This is a mattifying, sorry, my lighting is a problem. This is a mattifying primer, and it's normally used by people with oily skin. You need, when you want your makeup to like stay matte, you need to use a mattifying primer, because you don't want to sweat on your makeup, because you normally know how like when you sweat you see like tiny bubbles on your face, and you don't want that. And then if you have the normal skin, you can just use this normal primer, because it does okay. You don't have anything to like protect yourself from, but it is important you apply your primer, because it acts as barrier between the foundation and your skin, and it also like provides texture on your skin. You need texture, good texture on your skin before applying your makeup, because you know some people have usually have like really big open pores, and you need everything laid out so smoothly. So primer serves that function. Then what you need next is concealers. And a concealer is a product that is used maybe to conceal. If you have dark spots, you can apply on the dark spot and it conceals them before you applying your foundation. And also a concealer is also used to highlight. A concealer is also used to make your eyebrows neat. So in this case, when you want to identify a concealer, always choose a concealer that it is 2 shades lighter than your foundation. Don't go past 2 shades. It's better you go at 1 shade. So in this case, I have this. So this concealer is the same shade as my complexion, and I normally use it to conceal just above my eyebrows, because I don't want any like different shades on my face after I am done applying my makeup. So above my eyebrows, I usually use a concealer that is the same shade as my skin, or rather complexion. And then this is a very light, too light. I'm thinking you guys are wondering, why do I have this foundation and I'm telling you to like be having a foundation that it is 2 shades lighter than your foundation. So this one, I use it as a base coat before applying my eyeshadow, sorry, because you need you want your eyeshadow to like pop and bring out the color as it is on your eyeshadow palette. So this serves that work best, although there are base coats that are specifically meant to serve that. And then this one, I use it to contour, or rather highlight my face. And also you can use the darkest shade of a concealer to like how do we call it, to contour your face. Oh my god. I'm becoming so forgetful. And then what you need next, guys, is is a beauty blender. Nowadays beauty blender come in different shapes, but make sure you have a soft beauty blender, a beauty blender that when you soak in water, it is able to like soak up all the water, because when applying your foundation you need a damp beauty blender. And you need, okay, by damp I mean like you soak your beauty blender in water and you squeeze out all the water. What you're left with is a damp beauty blender. So it is important that before applying your foundation, you have a damp beauty blender, because it helps to blend the foundation really nicely on your skin. The foundation will settle flawlessly on your skin if you use a damp beauty blender. And if you decide to use a dry beauty blender, it means a lot of foundation will instead stick, or rather remain, on your beauty blender instead of being transferred onto your skin. So that is how you need to have your beauty blender. And then what you need is foundation. And I'm showing you two foundations because I use these two foundations on my skin. It is important that you identify a foundation that is the same shade as your skin tone. It has been difficult for me to find, like, to settle on a foundation that is just the same, like one foundation that is the same complexion as me. So I end up like mixing this in a certain ratio to acquire my skin tone. I've done the same right now. What you need is a finishing powder. It should also be the same shade as your foundation and as your skin. You don't want a different color on your general face and your body. You want a uniform shade on your face. Finishing powder also like helps to like close any pore on your face that is prone to sweating, you see. And it also helps to give a smooth texture on your skin after applying your foundation. So it is always important that you finish your face using a finishing powder. There are people who have loose powder and there are people who have compact powder, and in this case this has been the best drugstore compact powder that I've been using, and I don't see myself changing. It is Luron. And then what you need next is your favorite lipstick. If you're a beginner, try not to use crazy colors for your lips. Yeah, so I have a nude lipstick and a maroon lipstick. I just did a maroon lipstick. It looks good. And then what you need is, I'm sorry I forgot about this, but it's mascara. A mascara helps you know, when you apply your face and you have powders all over, there's some that drop on your eyelashes, and if you don't use a mascara at the end of applying your makeup, you will end up looking like somebody who has been walking in a desert the whole day. I know you guys relate. So it is important that you apply mascara whenever you don't want to use falsies. And there are different types of mascaras, and in this case this one is a volumizing mascara. I have really tiny and short lashes, so for me to volumize them and make them visible, I need to use this. So yeah. And then guys, what you need is a setting spray. I bought a big setting spray because I don't want to buy any setting sprays soon enough. So, and in this case, I've been using Dr. Rachel setting spray. And this setting spray helps to fix your makeup, like set your makeup. When you put on a setting spray, make sure you like spray it like 10 inches away from your face. You only need the mist, you don't need the water, you need the mist. And a setting spray, right now, as we like are in the season of like putting on masks because of the pandemic, a setting spray will help to avoid transfer on your masks. So it is important that you have a setting spray, and a setting spray will help your makeup to also stay all day on your face. You might only need a few touch-ups. So those are the things that you need, and I hope you found them useful. And just in case you need to use a foundation, no, sorry, an eyeshadow, make sure you use an eyeshadow that is of neutral colors. And I'm just going to show you an example of if you're a beginner, an eyeshadow that is of neutral colors. You know, some people usually do their eyes first, and some usually do it at the end. So it just depends on how you do your makeup. So neutral colors basically mean nude colors. So if you're a beginner, also avoid applying crazy colors like shouting colors on your eyeshadow. Right now I have applied these neutral colors, and as you can see, it is good for a beginner. Before you like progress into a good artist, you know, it is a step-by-step process. One step at a time, you will come to learn. So you only need a neutral colored eyeshadow palette. So guys, I hope you found this useful, and if you feel like there's anything I have missed out, kindly inform my fans or my students if that's correct, on the description, not sorry, on the comment section. On the comment section. And if you have any suggestions, also put them down on the comment section and I will work on it. So if you are okay, let's call this a day, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time.